Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and Hammu. You were saying we should do a non-veg recipe without using chicken and mutton.
Shall we do a recipe using prawns?
What are you going to do using prawns?
We can do prawns Thokku as it's made with coconut milk and ghee. It will be very aromatic and delicious. It will be very tasty with rice. Let's see how to make this recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
Let's have a pan on the stove and add 5 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee and let it heat.
Ammu, the oil is hot now.
Add 1 teaspoon of mustard and let it sputter. I don't have a history of having mustard sputter as soon as I add it to the oil.
If you add after the oil is hot, it will sputter.
With that, add some curry leaves, 3 big onions chopped into pieces, almost close to 250 grams. Saute it. Add a pinch of salt to saute nicely.
This must saute to brown color, right, Ammu?
Yes. Onion sauteed nicely. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. It's all sauteed well. Now at this stage, add half kg of peeled off prawns.
Ammu, is this prawn half kg with shell or without shell after peeled off?
Half kg after the shell is peeled off. Saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 3 big tomatoes chopped into small pieces. Saute the tomatoes. Tomatoes sauteed nicely. Now add 3 tablespoons of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of salt and saute all together well. Masala sauteed well and oil is separated. Next, add half shell of coconut that's browned nicely. Mix it well.
This masala is a perfect combination to eat with hot rice. You can also eat it as a side dish with sambar rice, rasam rice and curd rice. You make this once, you will feel like making it again and again.
Place the lid and cook for 10 minutes in low flame. In between, open the lid and keep mixing, otherwise it will get burned. It's cooked well and blended nicely with masala. At this stage, add some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix it and shifted it aside. Tasty prawn Thokku is ready. Please try making this and let us know in the comment section how it tasted.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.